Hello.
Hello.
It's the weekend of the 16th of November and we're at Riddings Wood Caravan Park for the weekend.
We are indeed.
It's like the Pied Piper.
I am, yeah. Yeah, I mean, you could tell that's old Canal, can't you, lot? As Heather said on the intro, we are stopping this weekend at Riddings Wood Caravan Park. We got here on Friday afternoon. I had the afternoon off work and we just walked into the local village of, tell me Heather. Jacksdale. Found a lovely real ale pub. Just had a couple of Swifters.
Poacher's Ale House, definitely recommend.
It was really nice. And then on the Saturday, which it is now,
come on,
we're just walking out along the old Cromford Canal. This is basically, obviously completely in disrepair now.
That's the Pottery Lock, that one.
Yeah, well, it said Cromford Pottery there, so yeah, the old Cromford Canal, which for us is quite interesting because we've stopped at Cromford a lot of times and the canal down there has been restored to a certain degree, but this is obviously somewhat
not restored,
into disrepair. But yeah, it's a nice little place to walk out, and there's a little reservoir cum fishery now, I guess, that we just had a walk round. Yeah, it's interesting to see that you can see the build-up of the old locks.
This is Smith's Lock.
Oh, she's got the names of the locks, look.
Number 4, this one. Yeah,
in fact, there's some old pictures here. How many locks was there then? 7 by the looks.
I never saw.
Well, lot 1 must have been by the bridge where we've walked over that bridge, haven't we? That's where we started. By the reservoir, I guess.
Yeah.
And obviously the main road's cut through that now.
What number's this one? 4?
That's here.
Yeah.
So that big building behind no longer exists unless it's that. Oh, it could be that. It is,
yes,
it's that
it is
there.
That, yeah.
That building there.
That looks like a mill
is that
type building,
yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah. Oh, that's interesting. I do like that type of thing. So if I point my finger at that there, that upright there, and then transfer, that's pretty good. It's all still there. I mean, that building there is still there. It's just a shame that the canal is no more.
Yeah.
Right now, you can't be a train, but can you do a boat noise?
Slush, 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 slush.
No, they wouldn't do that, would they?
Well, they do. They slush and slosh in the water, don't they?
I suppose.
And they sort of chug along like chug, chug, chug.
Well,
chug,
no,
chug,
this
chug,
would
chug,
have been
chug.
horse-drawn.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh dear. It's quite sad to see, I guess, this really. It's funny, like I say, we enjoy the old railway lines, and this is sort of somewhat connected, I guess, how our heritage has fallen into disrepair, no longer needed.
I was going to say, it's only because it was being used for the industrial
Yeah.
era, and the Industrial Revolution turned into
Well,
what we've got now.
yeah.
Without it, we wouldn't be where we are now.
Correct. Wise words, mate.
Slightly wiser than my horse impression from a minute ago.
That's good, that. I've got to go and have a look what's over the bridge.
Just be careful.
Well, no,
'cause
there
it
looks
a bit
like-
slippy.
Oh, well, it's got metal on it. Hang on, just hold your dog. Come here, you're not
will
going
do.
over. There looks like an old sort of winding thing up there, you see.
Oh, okay.
Just want to go and have a look. Yeah, I don't know what that would have been. Anybody know? Railways is more my forte than canals, but clearly would have been something. Hello.
Hello.
Anyway, I think we're going over there. Nice old bridge behind you. Tramway.
Yeah, Portland Path Tramway, where the coal from the Portland collieries was loaded onto barges for shipment to Cromford on the Cromford Canal.
It's easy for you to say. Yeah. There you go. Who knew there was so much stuff?
On your doorstep.
It's hardly on our doorstep. If it was on our doorstep, I'd be at that poacher's tavern all the time.
Yeah, probably a good job.
Yeah.
So we've come down here, and we've walked round Codnor Reservoir Park, and we've walked all the way along here, and we're now at Jacksdale again.
Yeah, which is where we were last night.
Yeah.
We're just saying we could.
This is the main road that we walked.
Yeah, we're going to come back here another day. We've seen this in the distance, this Jessup Monument, which is that. Mm-hmm. And there was a picture of Codnor Castle in the pub last night, which is that. And it looks like there's a walk that you can do. Mm-hmm. So that's for another day. So this is Jacksdale, where we walked to on the Friday. And that is the pub that we went in, the Poacher's Ale House. Can confirm, absolutely fantastic beers. And very, very cheap. I think one of the pints I had was £3.60, which is pretty good. Yeah, very nice. I would like to go back in there, but sadly, we've got other pubs to visit. Sadly. I'm so sad. Anyway, the walk back to the site from Jacksdale, as we said, is a bloody big hill. Isn't it, Doris?
Yes.
Should have caught this bus.
Coming egg. We nearly did.
Yeah, nearly had me. Okay then, so we will quickly show you the site. It looks like there are some like camping lodges in the trees.
And some up there, look.
And some up there as well, yeah. Not sure if they're privately owned or you can rent them out.
Definitely on the website it talks about log cabins,
Right, okay.
but I'm not sure about them up there.
No. We can only say as we see. So we've come here on a rally, mid-November, and the site's open till the end of December. It's shut, I think, January, February, March, isn't it? Something like that.
I think it's just January, February, the way,
Just January, February.
way that it reads.
Yeah. So obviously reception here, and the pitches are all the way down there. They're level enough, but they're stepped level, so you have got to use your ramps a little bit. First night here, I tried no ramps and was rolling out of bed. There's the one toilet and shower block there, with some washing up. That's the only one that's open this time of year. There is another block.
Lovely, clean and tidy. And
They're really
look
nice.
like they're quite new.
Other block there's locked off for the winter. So yeah, there are some grass pitches. Wouldn't fancy that, but here's the hard standing pitches. We're on the one halfway down there. As I say, they look level, but you can see people have their chock under the one side just to level it off a bit. But great views, really good reception, certainly for the phone that I'm on. I'm with Vodafone, Heather's with Smarty,
Yeah, no, they've been okay.
which is 3, I think, Smarty is.
We watched a film last night on the Smarty,
It's all
the
been
van
good.
phone.
So yeah, I think this time of year, if you book direct with the campsite, it was 13 quid and 6 quid on the electricity. We've only saved a quid with the DA. It's 12 quid for us. We haven't bothered with the electric. I've done my usual. I've got a power bank in the van with the cable going through, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's pretty much the site. Not a great deal to see. I think it's one to come back to. Right, so after a quick change of clothes, we've headed right out of the campsite now into unknown territory for us. We're actually going into Riddings itself, find somewhere for lunch. In case you're wondering why the site is called Riddings Wood, here's the giveaway. Right, so we'll go back on the road, but yeah, we're just going to walk up to Riddings itself. As coincidence would have it, the 7 Stars, that's where I believe we're going to go and find somewhere to eat. There's also a pub called
Moulder's Arms, aka The Thatch.
The Thatch. Yeah, everybody apparently knows it as The Thatch. It's nice to see the signage is in the local dialect, me duck. So this is the Moulder's Arms, or the Thack, or it's obviously thatch because of the roof. This doesn't open till 2 o'clock. Yeah, the Thack. The 7 Stars is right there.
Hold on. You're at speed.
A public house since 1702. The 7 Stars built on the foundations of a convent. Oh well. There we go. Not really what we expected. Well, there we go. 7 Stars. The beer was lovely. There was no food. And the girl who worked in there says there's nowhere really round here that does food. So it was a ham roll and a bag of crisps. Never mind. Anyway, we'll carry on walking into the village of Riddings and see what we find. You think, Pop? Anyway, that was the Red Lion. Yeah. What can we say about this time of year? You go inside. It does, doesn't it? It's horrible, isn't it? It'll probably be dark by the time we come out of the next pub, because we haven't actually.
Another pub?
You said we got to go in the Thack.
I thought we were going back to the van.
No. We're going in that Thatch. Thackety Thatch. Thackety Thatch. Don't talk back. That one, you know. Anyway, probably be too dark, like we say. So we might see you in the morning. Well, we will see you in the morning, unless we die overnight or something. You know. In which case you'll never see the video, because I'll never upload it.
I'll do it.
You'll do it. And there we go. As if by magic. Here we go then. The Thack. Hot pies. Steak and ale, lamb and mint. More beer. It seems to have gone a bit dark. All right, Mum. That was a nice pub.
Yep.
Anyway, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, internet.
Morning.
Morning. Sunday morning.
Yep. It's a beautiful morning.
Always is when you're going home, isn't it?
Yeah, we've had a nice couple of days.
It has been very good. Right, yeah, just leaving Riddings Wood. Not a bad sight. And the pubs are great. One only disappointment is nowhere for food.
Luckily, I had the forethought to bring extra food just in case.
Yeah, and this van's stuck on the grass.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, so that's it. You'll see this one in December, and then we're really getting towards the end of the year. We've only got a few more nights away now this year for us. Right, so yeah, excuse the momentary crap edit there. We hadn't got the barrier code with us. We had to quickly get the barrier code to get out, and now we're on our way out of the site. We're just going to
down
go
that big hill.
Down the big hill we walked down. So yeah, as always, follow the instructions on the screen. That would be lovely. And
we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully.
Well, I think the next one is going to be an amalgamation of 2 weekends in one.
Who knows?
No, it is really, because I'm going to edit it. So unless we don't get on the 2,
you never know with him.
Never know. See you later, people.
Bye bye.
Bye 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 bye.